I'm going to be making install videos of these products when I fit them to my bike, but before that I wanted to make a quick first look video to explain some of the features. On the left we have some Stahlbus hydraulic bleeders, and on the right a STIC metering block. This is the STIC Metering Block. This particular one's designed for Keihin PWK 38mm air striker carbs. Full disclosure, Harris Performance Engineering left a comment on one of my videos suggesting that I should try this. I contacted them because I was interested in it, and we got into a discussion, and they agreed to send me one free of charge if I install it and review it. The STIC Metering Block replaces a standard Keihin block. The block is the part of the carburetor which sits down inside the bowl, which you can't normally see, and it houses the pilot jet, which you can see down in here, the main jet, and inside here is the needle jet, and then the needle sits in this orifice here. The benefits of the STIC metering block over the standard block are said to be improved fuel atomization, stronger signal and better fuel flow, which results in more power and better throttle response. So I'm very keen to install this and test it. I'll be making an installation video and a review video as well, so be sure to check those out in the next couple of weeks. The next product is a Stahlbus hydraulic bleeders, which I purchased myself following some online research. One big frustration I've always had with traditional bleeders is that when you open them, they can leak fluid from the threaded area and also introduce air. So I found these, and the key feature is that they have an internal valve, and if you want to do a regular bleed, you can open the valve half a turn and you can pump fluid out, but it can't get back in, and air can't get back in either. If you want to do a reverse bleed, just filling the system from the bleeder, you can open the valve 1.5 turns, and that will allow fluid to pass. They're very nicely made, and I've got two types. So the one on the right here is for banjo fitting, so it'll fit the KTM clutch fitting and also the rear brake. And the one on the left here is for the front brake system. So I bought a total of 3, so I can do my front brake, clutch and rear brake. And they come with the required crush washers. One thing to note is that it's recommended to fit caps on to stop dirt getting in the valve, and the caps are sold separately, so be sure to order them. So I'll be making an installation video which shows how to fit and use the bleeders, so be sure to check that out if you're interested.